Do not eat this fish, it is very dangerous for your health. In recent months, in many European countries, you can buy panga at a very low price. And that is actually the trick. This fish should not be so cheap. This type of fish, sold in markets throughout Europe, comes from Vietnam and has low quality, and the bad news is that the consumption of this fish can cause serious damage to your health. The panga fish is in Vietnam, near the Mekong River. Studies have shown that this fish can harm your health, and the reason for this is the fact that the Mekong River is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. Scientists have found extremely high levels of toxins and bacteria in the sewage pools where fish are grown. This means that the flesh of this fish contains many harmful compounds, including chlorate, hexachlorobenzene, isomers, heavy metals, etc. That is why the import of this fish is banned in the United States. Panga fish are fed with waste material and cause serious damage to their overall health. But, in addition to that, experts warn that fish you can buy in the market are injected with antibiotics and hormones to grow bigger. It was discovered that many large companies are buying this fish as it is cheap and will make great profits from it. The ugly truth is that big companies are concerned about profit and do not care about the fact that the unhealthy that this fish actually is. Due to the low price, many people decide to buy this fish and are not even aware of all the dangers this fish brings to their health. The worst part is that panga fish does not contain omega-3 oils and other essential nutrients found in natural fish. Keep in mind that this delicious meal can damage your health, and avoid consumption. I ask